Oh, hey there, guys. So I filmed this video a really long time ago, and we were supposed to put this up. And I'm just redoing the intro because it was really awkward, and yes, I am in my pajamas because I had a field trip today, and I just felt really gross. So, roll the video.
Alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they
Door. It's just like a regular door. I don't really know. And I'm gonna try not to have like a weird voice in this. So it's really bright here right now because I just put in new lights. And yeah, it's just like sort of like the walkway in, sort of. So here's the overview of the top of my counter. So, got a little phlegm there. So here I have my retainer that I never wear. And here I have my nail polish collection. And I was thinking of doing a video on it, but I don't really have that, like, I'm not really that into nail polish. But I like it, I think, as much as, like, the next girl, but, like, I don't really like it that much. And I lent out, like, 3 of my nail polishes just, like, today. So it's probably not a good time to talk about my nail polish. So, yeah, here's the nail polishes minus the 3 I lent out. Here's some rubbing alcohol I bought for newspaper nails. It didn't work. Just nail polish remover, some perfumes, samples, cotton balls, cotton pads, earwax things. There's like a candle there. Then I have 2 deodorants, a air spray, 2 moisturizers. Here, that's moisturizer. That's a moisturizer. Then I have my soap. And I really like this soap. I got it in my Birchbox. It's like my favorite soap. And it's not focusing. But yeah, that would be my soap. And then I have a Lush soap, just a regular soap, a goat milk soap, and a cupcake soap. And I have like this Lush sample just sitting here. And then I have my toothpaste, my brush just sitting there. This is from my first EcoTool set. I just like left it here. I don't know. Makeup remover, Baby Buki, tweezers. I don't even know what that is. My face wash stuff. Wrinkle cream. This is like the Clinique. This is Clinique eye cream, and I'm gonna do a video on this. I think it's just the sample size, but I like it. And then back here I have hand sanitizers. Then I have like a lotion thing that's supposed to be soap. My toothbrush, and a scrub. So that's just like my sink sort of thing. Then I have here where I keep my brushes, and I have my curlers slash straighteners. So I have the straightener, curler. Then I have 2 other curlers down there. I have one like really thin curler. Sorry. I have one really small curler, and then I have one big curler. I hardly ever use the small one. I use this one a lot. The one I'm holding. This one I use a lot. And then I have in this drawer like, I don't know, moisturizer type things. I didn't really know what to put in this drawer. I'm using my foot now. And in this drawer I have extra packaging. This was from my straightener. I didn't know what to do with it. So I just sort of like put it in here. And then I have other like leftover boxes from stuff. I keep refills of my cotton balls in here. Then over here I keep, this is totally random, messy drawer. It has like shaver refills and clips and all that jazz. And then here I have face soaps and face masks. Hair products like hairspray. I have mousse in here. I have this gel stuff. I have, I don't know what this is. Like messy curl stuff. Then here I have like totally random hair tie things. Tired. I have my hair dryer, which I need to find a better place for because I don't like it down here. And I just keep like toilet paper and stuff in here. So that's like this part of my bathroom. Then over here, oh, that's my pencil case. But then I have my hamper, and I've got like 2 towels here, my toilet, you know, all that stuff. Okay, so then I'm moving on to my shower. So I'm just sort of going to look into my shower because, you know, but here's what my shower looks like. It's just like a regular shower. It's not very fancy. And here I have a body scrub. Oh, the glare is bothering me. Whatever. I have a Bali Mango body scrub from Bath and Body Works. A Carried Away body soap, which I hate, so I never use it. A Happy Birthday Philosophy body soap thing from Sephora. My shampoo. Another body soap. This is from, it's called Aromatics Elixir. I really like the smell, but I've never really seen like anyone else use it besides me. Then I have Aussie, I think that was conditioner. Then I have an Herbal Essences conditioner and a Nexus conditioner. I don't know why I have so much conditioner in here. Then I have a Aussie shampoo. And then over here, I've got my old shaver, which I never use anymore. Then down here, I got my shaver I use now, which is Chic. What is it now? I don't know what it's called. Venus Embrace, right? Venus Embrace. And I got a Lush body scrub thing and a travel size soap. And then over here, I have like a random baby soap. But yeah, that's just there. Okay, so that was our shower tag / bathroom tour, and we were tagged to the shower tag by the Jen Lamb, and I'll link her channel in the down bar. And I hope you guys have a really great day, and bye!